Hello, I'm Natalie Brynne, the creator of Piano with Ease. This is a stage 1 song, which means quick wins. Every single finger is marked and the right hand doesn't move out of a 5-finger playing position, so you can learn the melody quickly. No need to read the left hand because it's shown as chord symbols, and all you have to do is play the basic 2-note chords for the simplest wins. Anything that is known to slow down beginners and cause them to have to wait to ask a teacher has been added to the page so you can self-correct easily. You'll see exactly how long to hold each note because every beat has been visualized with arrows, and the things students usually forget, such as repeat symbols with first and second endings, have been clearly marked with instructions so that you know exactly what to do while you're playing. If you love the way you learn here, then check out my membership. The links are in the description. There is song training to this song and many others. Or check out my additional Piano with Ease sheet music, all made with special visuals to help you be able to self-correct easily at the piano. There's also a free Stage 1 tool that I'll provide the link to in the description that you can download and cut out, and it will help you play any Stage 1 song so much easier. There's a right hand number strip and a left hand letter strip, which you can literally slide onto your piano keys and put them behind the notes that you need to be playing, also to help you self-correct. If you want to try a song in the Piano with Ease style for free, there is a link in the description as well. Thank you so much for checking us out today.